Success is not a destination, but a journey of constant self-improvement and growth. Meet Alex, a young entrepreneur who started his own business at the age of 23. He had big dreams and goals, but knew that he had to work hard to achieve them. He believed that education and constant learning were key factors in his success. As he put it, the more you learn, the more you earn. Alex never stopped educating himself. He read books, attended seminars, and took courses to gain knowledge in his field. He knew that gaining knowledge was not enough. He had to apply what he learned and take action. As he said, knowledge without action is useless. Alex faced numerous challenges on his journey to success. There were times when he felt like giving up, but he kept going. He believed that success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that count. He was determined to keep moving forward, no matter what. Alex's hard work and dedication paid off. His business grew, and he became a successful entrepreneur. He learned that success was not just about achieving his goals, but about the journey and the person he became along the way. As he said, success is not what you have, but who you are. Conclusion: Alex's story shows that success is not just about having big dreams and goals, but about constant self-improvement and growth. It takes hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn and apply what you learn. As Winston Churchill said, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that count. So keep educating yourself, keep growing, and keep moving forward, and success will follow.